there, creative minds? Today, we are going to show you how you can create something magical using AI tools. We will be using ChatGPT to write a poem, convert it to audio, and then bring it to life with animation with the help of Adobe Animaker. Ready to make your imagination fly? Let's dive right in. Today, we are going to use two super fun tools that will make you feel like an animation master. That's right. With TTSMaker and Animaker, you can write your own poems and turn them into an awesome audio and video and make fun characters say them on the screen. Cool, right? Let's dive in. So first things first, we have written down a short poem with the help of ChatGPT in the last video, right? So we will go and refer to the cat video, or if we want we will just okay, so we will go to ChatGPT and then we will add a poem. So write a funny poem about a cat, let's say of 6 lines and suitable for let's say 4-year-olds. Let's see. So ChatGPT is writing a poem. There once was a cat named Bing who loved to dance and sing. He twirled in a hat and chased a big rat, then tripped on his tail. Boing! What a silly cat doing his thing. Okay, so I have taken this one. You can write as many lines as you want. Then we will go to a website, that is TTSMaker. Okay, so this is the website for free text to speech. So whatever we write as a text, it will read out aloud with the help of AI. Okay, so there are so many sites like these which are text to speech, but I liked this one because this is free and it doesn't ask for any login or any trials. Okay, so you can try maximum, I think 1000 characters, and different voices have different limits, so you need to explore that. Then I'll add the link of this in the description of this video as well, so you can try that. So let's see different voices that they have.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Okay, so this is the lady's voice. You can try different sounds.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Okay, so there are different sounds. So let's see this one.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Okay, so go ahead and explore all the voices that you like. I personally liked this one. I think a small kid's voice is there. Emma, I guess. Emma. Yeah, this one is the Emma. Let's see.
TTSMaker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Amazing, right? So let us select this one and let's write the CAPTCHA code. So whatever numbers that you see here, you just need to enter that. So it will be little difficult to recognize, but try to add that. Okay, so this is 3535 and let's convert to speech. So it will verify whether you are a human. So I will just click on this to verify. Verification is success and AI is verifying whether I am a human or not. Now let's see.
There once was a cat named Bing who loved to dance and sing. He twirled in a hat and chased a big rat, then tripped on his tail. Boing! What a silly cat doing his thing.
Wow, amazing, right? So it has converted the poem into audio format. Then you can even change the speed, that like 0.5 will be slower one, Let's see that.
There once was a cat named Bing who loved to dance.
Okay, and if you want it normal, you can make it normal. If you want to make the speed little faster, you can even try that.
Dance and sing, he twirled in a hat and chased a big rat, then tripped on his tail. Boy.
Okay, so go ahead and experiment with these things. Let's keep it normal for now. Sometimes it sounds a bit electronic if you try to change the speed a lot. So I keep it normal. Download. Okay, so it will get downloaded as MP3 file. Amazing. So we have written a poem using ChatGPT, then we have converted that into an audio. So what next that you need for creating animation? You will need to create a character, and that character will be saying our poem. So how do we do that? So we have Animaker. So that also is a free tool. So I will add the link of this, both the tools, Adobe Express. So on this Adobe Express, you have no login is required on this as well. So you can select whichever character that you like. So there are so many characters from here. You can choose whichever character that you like. Okay, and I've selected this girl. So if you go to character, so here you will see different characters, right? So this is for young people. These are all the characters. You can filter out. So these are some animals. Amazing, right? So you can choose whichever you like from this. So there are so many characters. So this is a cat, but I don't think this is so much funny. I think it looks a little spooky, right? The green eyes and all. It's not cute one. I'll take a small girl. So let's go young people. And wow, these are so cute, right? So let's select this one. I think this is also cool. And you can add a background from here. So there is a plain background. You can add classroom background. So just explore different backgrounds. So choose whatever that you want. So let's select this one. And here you need to select the background and the characters. That's it. And you can select the size from here. So if you want it to be a reel or a portrait or square, landscape. So for now I'm using YouTube videos. So for YouTube I'm using 16:9. Okay, and click on enhance speech and let me add. So from here, so you need to add the audio that we downloaded, right? So go to the browse button. So from here we can browse and then we can select this MP3 file. So this was the MP3 file that we downloaded. So we are going to upload that into Adobe Animaker. So isn't that easy? So we just have added the audio and let's see the magic. So meanwhile this is lip syncing. We can watch this fun animation that is created by Adobe Animaker. So one thing is that you have to keep the audio only for 2 minutes. So if the audio is more than 2 minutes, you will have to create the video 2 times or 3 times, so according to the length of your audio. So at one time it is giving for 2 minutes. So with the help of character from Animaker, will automatically match the character's lips to your poem's audio. So isn't that cool? Now your poem will start talking. Let's see if it is able to do it.
There once was a cat named Bing who loved to dance and sing. He twirled in a hat and chased a big rat, then tripped on his tail. Boing! What a silly cat, doing his thing.
Amazing, isn't it? So you can try different scripts with this and try different characters, backgrounds. So maybe some characters are running through the forest, some flying in the sky, or having picnic. So try different imagination, different backgrounds, and customize with whatever you want. So if you are happy with the animated poem, you just need to download this. So it will get downloaded in your downloads. That's it. So you don't need to sign up or anything. It will be downloaded in the downloads. Okay. And so here with the just few steps, we have turned a simple poem into a talking animation with the help of TTSMaker and ChatGPT and Animaker. So now it's your turn to create fun. And before that, if you want to directly record your sound as well, I will show you that as well. Okay, so let's go back. So I am going to go on Adobe Express again. So I will share you this link. Okay, so let's quickly revise. So go to the characters. Let's say this one. And let's add the background. Okay, so this is the background, let's say. And if I want to give my own voice, I just need to record. So you can even, if you don't want to use the AI sound, you can add your own poem. Let's say, there once was a cat named Bing who loved to dance and sing. He twirled in a hat and chased a big rat, then tripped on his tail, boing. What a silly cat doing his thing. So it will take your voice and then it will convert it into a animation as well. So isn't it fun? So animation is not that difficult now with the help of AI. Such kind of things like lip syncing would take lot of time for the animators before AI. Oh, it's showing some animation. Meanwhile it is exporting, so let's wait. So this has been created. Let's see this one. Okay, so let's see. There once was a cat named Bing who loved to dance and sing. He twirled in a hat and chased a big rat, then tripped on his tail, boing. What a silly cat doing his thing. Amazing, isn't it? So if you like it, you can download the MP4 and you can share it to your friends as well. So there you have it. In just a few steps, you just turned a simple poem into an amazing talking animation using TTSMaker and Animaker. Now it's your turn to create and have fun. And that's it. We have taken a poem from ChatGPT, converted to audio and brought it live with the help of animation using Animaker. You can try this with any poem or any story or any idea that you have that you can come up with. Let your creativity soar and share your animations with the world. Many kids have even created their own YouTube channels creating these animation ideas. You can create your next animation video or an animation channel with the help of these tools. Thanks for watching and happy animating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tutorials. See you next time. Bye-bye.